Join me as I visit the brand new 2-week-old Golden Grand Egyptian Museum and Giza Pyramids View. This is described as the world's largest archaeological museum, packed with over 100,000 artifacts of Egypt's history from pre-dynastic times to the Greek and Roman eras. Being there in person made it so interesting, enlightening, and mind-blowing. Amazing. And they want to see you. Best.
Thank you.
This is a brand new museum just built right beside the pyramids, and it's 2 weeks old. So yeah, I saw it first.